We have the 2018 Ford Kuga. This vehicle has done just under 72,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth, emergency assistance, Android CarPlay, valet mode and ambient lighting. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control, as well as our keyless ignition. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.